Alright guys, welcome back. So I was able to save this so you can put the car on there and make it look cool. The remote here requires two, what is that, AA batteries. So that should be nice and easy. It looks like there may even be a little display here going on. This looks like it needs two AA batteries as well, but I can't tell what I'm supposed to do with this because obviously this is not how you're going to drive around. You probably need to get this stuff off. But I am a little bit concerned about pulling hard and breaking something. So that does not make me feel all that happy. Looks like this has some give there. But how do I take these out? I don't know. You just kind of pull them out, and I hope I didn't rip anything in there. Oh man. There we go. Came out. Alright, so in the next video I will dump some good old batteries in there and we'll see what happens from there. Thanks for watching.